In this video, I asked dozens of people on the streets of Colorado a very important question.
What's the most important quality to look for in an intimate partner?
Their responses were amazing, really insightful stuff. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share what I think, which adds on to what all these amazing people said. And I think you're going to be surprised by what I say at the end.
Okay, what is the most important quality in looking for a life partner?
Don't sweat the small stuff.
I always say don't sweat the small stuff, first of all.
I would say that God is the answer.
I want them to have like a vision for themselves. And that includes me in it.
Compromise. Not always thinking about yourself, but finding a common place that you can both agree on. And respect for each other.
Someone who is respectful, respects your boundaries.
Okay, this next one gets mentioned a lot. I'll unpack this at the end. Check this one out.
Communication.
Like having good communication. Communication, like being able to talk to someone and listen to someone.
If there's an issue, just making sure you communicate about it.
Yeah.
I was going to say communication.
This guy mentioned communication, but gets more nuanced.
Openness with your feelings, I'd say. It's unfair to expect your significant other or your counterpart to understand how you're feeling if you're not actively communicating those feelings to them.
Yeah. Amen.
It's loyalty. It's how they treat you.
Loyalty.
Loyalty. You need somebody that's going to be there to ride with you till the wheels fall off.
Never go to bed mad. So you don't have time to fester and have nightmares.
Yeah. Yeah, seriously.
Killing your husband.
I just think it's important to know what she wants, what you want, and a way to kind of...
Similar faith or goals.
It's all about the goals, yeah.
Her goals. Lifelong goals and have a good job and a good head on her shoulders, honestly.
I would say goals.
Looking for passionate, someone to grow with, not someone to take care of.
Honesty and loyalty.
Yes. Okay.
I think tolerance.
Intelligence.
Good personality and ambitions.
I would say trust, though. Trust is real big. I mean, if she don't trust you, then you don't trust her, I mean, it's not going to be nothing.
Trust goes. Commitment.
Is somebody that fully understands you, the understanding going both ways, because then it's like if they're having a bad day or if you're in a disagreement, you still see their side and you still can hear them out.
Did he just say that? That was amazing. You have a disagreement and your feelings are hurt, but you can still see their side. Boom. Wow.
But then at the end of the day, you can still talk it over and like really get through what you need to.
Yeah.
All right, there you have it from all those folks on the street here in Colorado. Thanks, everybody. I liked every one of these, except for the never go to bed angry thing. I'll do a video on that. Stay tuned. But man, there were some great shares. Thanks, everybody, again. I want to comment on a couple things. You heard communication a lot, right? A couple of people alluded to it there. We have to communicate in a way that other people feel understood. And part of communication is listening. Listening until people that are speaking feel understood. I write about that in my book. Now, the second thing that I noticed was people talked a lot about what the other person needs to do, not what they need to do, how they need to show up. Ideally, when we're looking for a life partner, right, we want a mutual situation. They pull their weight, we pull our weight. And specifically,
I always tell people never get married or do long-term commitment unless
both people can do one thing, and that is repair and clean up the mess after the inevitable mistakes we make in a relationship.
Yeah. Like you got to be able to come back after a challenging moment, and you got to do it as a team. Gotcha. That's the most important thing.
We say the mean thing, we shut down, we blame, we collapse, we flirt with someone else. We do stupid things sometimes in a long-term relationship, and the other person gets really annoying, and we get triggered by them. That's normal. But what most people don't learn how to do is to repair after conflict, to repair and reconnect after a mistake or a mess, to clean up and repair the hurt feelings that happen both ways. Both people need to learn how to do that. And when you learn how to do that, you can have an indestructible partnership for life. Thanks for listening. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you like this, share with a friend, please. Leave a comment below if you've got a yeah but or you got something to add. Let's hear it, and I will make a video out of it.